When you have such great seats like this, it's important to protect them, and I've got the perfect solution for you. TEMPRESS actually makes these seat covers specifically for this ProBax Captain chair. So after a good day on the water, you want to make sure that seat is protected. You've got little buckles here on both sides that you just clip up, tighten it up. Same thing on this side, clip it in, tighten it up, and then there's a little drawstring right at the bottom, right back here. Close it together, pull it back. It won't go anywhere. It'll travel nice, and you'll keep your nice brand new seat clean and perfect shape.